Hello everyone and welcome to 5 minutes of channel. Today I want to talk about a data protection solution for enterprise environments. In 5 minutes, of course. Guardium Data Protection is a comprehensive solution for hybrid and multi-cloud data protection platform, which protects organization-sensitive data wherever it is located. Guardium addresses data privacy and insider threats using multiple features such as database activity monitoring, real-time alertings, actionable data, and threat insights. It produces automation compliance workflow to help protect sensitive data. Hybrid cloud and artificial intelligence are two trends affecting enterprise technology to obtain efficiency, competitive advantage, and proactive decision-making, and they are included in Guardium. The primary function of Guardium Data Protection is to monitor database activity, and to do this, it needs to discover and classify where the most sensitive data is on server, on database, and then to put controls around it to secure it. Then Guardium is able to ensure that only authorized users or machine or applications can access critical data residing on system across hybrid cloud environments. It provides security teams with risk-based view and alerts, as well as advanced analytics based on proprietary machine learning technology to uncover hidden threats. It also provides the ability to quickly create data security and audit reports. Guardium covers many types of data sources, including database, big data files, mainframe data, and various cloud data sources. In detail, Guardium improves database security in these main areas: discovery and data classification, compliance and regulation, dynamic real-time data protection, and database threat management. Guardium protects data by using a centralized policy enforcement and management, using predefined policies that include techniques for detecting data, such as database tables containing credit cards or social security numbers. But you can also create your data detection rules to encounter threats. Database discovery can be scheduled regularly by using the auto-discovery process, and once data is discovered, you can use workflows to act upon the data. Guardium provides compliance policies that help in monitoring data access audit, trail entitlement reporting, and compliance reports by using report templates to get started with compliance monitoring for various regulations and standards. It also provides the option to define custom audit workflows and reports to meet your needs. After Guardium is up and running, you can automate tracking and reporting. Data activity monitoring is done by Guardium through rule-based security and compliance policies. It logs and alerts unauthorized data access and suspicious activity, and in this case, Guardium policy can block access or prevent malicious SQL commands and enforce data redaction. Guardium protects sensitive data with real-time visibility into data level access and activity. It provides both agent-based and agentless methods for monitoring data sources. It supports multiple monitoring methods under categories based on the type of data source and where it is located in the cloud, on-premise, and so on. Guardium offers vulnerability assessment that scan data infrastructures such as databases, data warehouses, big data environments, and so on. To detect vulnerability and suggest remedial actions, the solution identifies exposures such as missing fee specs, weak password, unauthorized changes, and misconfigured privileges. The vulnerability assessment can be scheduled to run periodically, providing historical data to track progress. This iterative approach helps the process for vulnerability remediation so that organizations can prioritize and order remediation measures. Vulnerability assessments contain pre-configured and custom tests to keep assessment current with industry standards and protect against new threats. In addition, Guardium uses analytics to alert on threats and malicious user activity. The active threat analytics feature show potential security breach cases based on both an outlier meaning process and identified attack symptoms. Guardium provides a dashboard to view, investigate, and act on cases. Active thread analytics is used to detect these threads. Outliers help detect data leaks, denial of service, and other threats. Thread diagnostics is useful to detect SQL injections, brute force attacks, and other threats. Thread Finder helps in cross-site scripting attacks, operating system command injection, and other threats. RiskSpotter is another technology based on analytics. It uses a holistic algorithm to continuously assess all risk indicators to identify potential risk across your entire system and order users by their risk. Risk indicators include threat analytics, violation, vulnerabilities, volume of activities, access to sensitive data, and so on. The real-time trust evaluator is another feature of Guardium used to detect potentially malicious connections in real time. It uses real-time security incidents and machine learning engines to assess database connection and identify security incidents. Connections with no security incidents identified are considered by the machine learning engine as normal and will be assigned a high trust score. To the other types will be assigned an evaluated trust score or an untrusted score. After this classification for the connections, you can apply automated response. Thank you for your attention and don't miss the next video on this channel. Bye bye from Luigi.